Is one of your New Year's resolutions to put yourself out there more? Here to help make self-promotion less intimidating in 2026 is stress management coach Mitchell Creasey. Mitchell, thank you so much for being here today. And this is a very timely discussion going into the new year. So how can people look to self-promote themselves without coming across as maybe bragging?
Yeah, so think of this, it's not, first of all, self-promotion is not sleazy.
Okay.
It is not hubris, it is humility. To tell somebody how you help someone else or how you've assisted on or led a project, it's not arrogant, it's not bragging, it's not narcissistic. It is you being honest about who you are and what you're capable of. That is not hubris, that's humility.
That's humility. Okay, and so for people who maybe feel maybe a little bit embarrassed or having to maybe step out of their shell and have to hone in on these skills, how can they do that?
So first of all, let's just move the goalposts.
Okay.
If you want to feel comfortable being seen by other people, you first have to feel comfortable seeing yourself.
Okay.
So make the goal to see yourself as valuable, as good enough, as worthy of taking up space. When you believe it and you see that in yourself, others are going to see it too without you having to do anything.
And it's kind of like manifesting, I guess. Like
in a way, yeah.
Really putting yourself in those shoes. So how can you do this?
Okay, so this is one of my this is one of my favorite tools. It's super easy and it's really fun to actually do at the end of the year to start. So we're going to build our self-promotion poster.
Okay.
So the same way that movie studios will create a poster to promote their movies, you're going to create a poster to promote yourself to yourself. It's for internal use only.
All right, so how do we do this? Yeah.
So the first place to start is decide, what are you promoting yourself for?
Okay.
A new job, to work in a new company, promotion, raise, whatever. So I'm going to use myself as an example.
Let's go.
So let's say I predominantly work in corporate, but let's say I wanted to work in the National Hockey League. I want to work in the NHL. And that's what I've decided, maybe helping a team, a player, or someone in the front office manage their stress. So that's my first thing. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my co-stars.
All right.
So what I want you to do is
following. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, all right. So we're gonna use social media for this.
Okay, that's okay, I'll be on it.
We were talking about this before. But you're going to go find two photos. The first photo is of you and a friend who works in the industry or at the level that you want to work at. So I believe we have an image coming up here, but this image is of me and my friend Jason Martin, who is an NHL strength and conditioning coach. And this image, when it comes up, there we are. There we are. We're at the Raptors game.
Nice.
There we are at the Raptors game. Okay, so that's gonna be your first image. The second image you're gonna go find is of your friend or the person you know with a person of influence from the industry that you want to be at. So the next photo we have will be of Jason and of Sam Bennett, who is a 2025 Stanley Cup winner and playoff MVP.
Okay, and so you're like essentially putting look at this.
There we are. And then exactly, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take those two photos, we're gonna smush them together. So there are the three of us, unbeknownst to any of them, but that's fine.
I love it.
Because this is for you. This is for internal use only.
Yeah.
The next thing we're gonna do is we're going to add our reviews. So the same way, we're probably a little too young, but remember, I know Rick does, Siskel is nodding in the background. Yeah. Siskel and Ebert, two thumbs up. Okay. So you're gonna scroll through your phone and you're gonna find all these nice text messages from friends or family members, colleagues, clients, whatever. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter when they said it or why they said it, as long as it's nice. And you're going to sprinkle them around the image. And then the last thing you do, just like that, you're going to download that and you're going to save it as your screensaver on your phone. You're going to take center stage. Yeah. And you know why?
Why?
Studies show that on average, we check our phone. How many times? Guess.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, I mean, I check it a lot for work. 100 times?
Any guesses?
Any guesses?
Per day?
Yeah.
700.
700.
Okay, yeah, 200 times a day on average. So if you think the amount of reps you're gonna get when you open your phone and you see you in that new environment with an old familiar friend, comfy, cozy, it's gonna start to rewire the story you tell yourself about yourself. And subsequently, just like at the beginning of the segment, when we start to see ourselves differently, others are gonna see us differently without us even having to open our mouths.
That's a really special way to reframe the way that you wanna enter 2026. Because I mean, like I make a vision board every year and I put it as my lock screen on my computer, and I just see it all the time and I look at all those inspirations.
And the difference between this and a vision board, I was thinking about this yesterday because I thought you might ask that.
Sorry, tell us about how they differ.
So a vision board is about getting something.
Okay.
The self-promotion poster, is about seeing yourself differently.
Okay. Just point blank, just like that.
That's it.
Mitchell, if we want to get more information, where can we go?
At the President's Coach on Instagram.
Fabulous. All right. Well, are you going to be preparing some picture like this for yourself this year?
I think I might do that. I think I might just leave it there. I did. I was like, this looks pretty good. I feel good about that.
Just put that on your phone screen and look at it 200 times a day.
That's right.
Amazing. Mitchell, thank you so much for your time and coming in, and Happy New Year as well. We're going to have all these details on our website at chch.com/morninglive.